Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, today we are working on a project that I'm stealing the idea from another vendor that I work with. I'm just thieving ideas today, guys. You know, if you can see on the back wall, I have been hoarding these things like crazy. Whenever I find them at different places, like this one's $2.99 from Goodwill. I think this one said $2 from my favorite Shalom. And there's two more back there, but we're going to primarily work with these two today. We are going to make sort of a minimalist wreath. And my wreath is actually going to be just a little bit different from the wreath of the vendor I'm taking inspiration from. So my friend Lisa, who has Dahlia Cottage, she is an incredible furniture painter. She does some crafts. She does primarily furniture painting, and she has an amazing eye and quite a gift. But she makes Christmas wreaths out of these. And they're very minimalist. They have just a couple pieces of greenery, maybe a tree on it, but not a whole lot going on. And you know me, I'm not like minimalist anything. I'm going to do minimalist on this. We're not going to wrap the whole thing and make a wreath and all that stuff, but mine will be different in that I'm probably going to have more colors, where she does very muted, and her style is, you know, kind of polar opposite of mine. Whereas my booth has lots of color and I love kitschy Christmas. Hers is a very sedate, pulled back sort of a Christmas vibe. I'm going to set that one down. We're going to start with this one. But anyway, you see these wreaths everywhere. I see these wreaths everywhere. They're quilting wreaths or embroidery hoops. And they're not wreaths, they're hoops. They're embroidery hoops. These are wooden. And the reason I like these is because they have the little platform. You see the little platform? Already on them. And that makes a perfect little spot to create our vignette. And then this is going to be where the wreath is hung from, up here, and this will go down at the bottom. So now I need to decide what I'm going to put on their little platform. And you can put stuff at the top as well, or at the top of this. If you want to disguise this a little bit, you know, put some greenery up there. It's 100% personal preference on these. Like whatever you like. Like I said, she's got very minimalist. She has a couple pieces of greenery, maybe a little tree. I'm gonna put probably the pink or blue deer on here, and we're gonna go color. Mommy needs some color. So that's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing. She can do whatever she wants. But I'm taking inspiration from her, and I'm stealing this idea. I don't know where she got the idea, if she thought it up, or if this was something that was like in a magazine or something. I don't know. The first person I ever saw do it was her, so I'm giving her credit for it. Let me get you guys switched around, face down to the work surface, and we'll get started. I've got to be honest, I already knew I wanted to do the pink deer on this. Probably going to use these. So this was that ornament that was damaged that I had from last year. I'm going to get these branches off here. There, they just pull off. Sweet. Or not. Hang on. Let's just nip them off here. So I'm just going to cut that. I had already kind of looked through my stash and said, I really love this little pink deer. So I got these at Target last year. I don't know if they have them this year. They had pink and blue last year, and I did buy a package of blue as well. But so far, I'm so in love with the blue that I've only managed to use the pink ones. Garbage. And I know I want to do a wreath with this pink guy. I want to do a little pink deer here. And unlike my friend who does more of the muted tones, she does, losing trees everywhere. She does grays and browns and things like that. I want pinks and blues and bright colors. So that's what I am doing. Speaking of bright colors, there's the other ones. Oh, y'all, hang on. All right, so this was also in the dollar spot last year from Target, or maybe. Of course, I ran out of space on my phone and it shut off, so you didn't miss much. I just glued that on. And apparently this to the table. We don't want that because I won't be able to get the other piece on. So you didn't miss much. And then I angsted over whether or not I was going to put the deer on this direction. And I decided there's no reason this deer can't be stepping forward off the wreath. So I am actually going to put him on here like this. Okay. And so he's going to be facing forward. To do that, you can't watch me. Well, you can, but I'm going to put a dab of glue on the 3 feet that will make contact with this wreath form. And then hold that in place until that glue dries. And then I'm going to put the pink one on the other side. No, don't tip over yet. I'm going to keep his butt inside the wreath though, because theoretically that's what will be making contact with the wall. So I'm going to hold this in place until he dries. But you can see he's looking super cute. Okay, so there we go. He's walking off the edge of the wreath. And I am going to put this tree there. Or not. You know, I think I want an ornament there. Instead, I think I want to like... I don't know. It's all about creating a little vignette here. I'm going to put the pink one on there, but not too close to the deer. We got a new glue stick coming in here. It doesn't want to... Okay, I'm going to put that towards the edge. So you can see I've got that out towards the edge of that little platform there. Okay. We got a little tree situation happening here. Let that cool though, because if I don't, it's going to do this again. Let's see. What do I have for ornaments? I want those pink ornaments that I had. Hang on. Also from Target last year were these cute little glass ornaments, which I don't know if I want to hang those from the top, probably, instead of putting them down here. It looks a little too big to go near that one. I think that's going to end up being on a ribbon. You know what I do have, though? Little baby pine cones. Where'd those go? See, this is where you get to go through all your little things and pick out all the little bits and pieces. Hang on one second and find them pine cones. Oh, missed opportunity. Look at that one. That would have been cool. Oh, that would have been really vibrant. Okay, anyway. Still have not found those pine cones yet. Wait. No, that's not it. I have these little gold pieces, but that's not what I'm looking for. Here they are. So this is the whole bag full of miniatures that I had for last year when we were making these little tartlet ornaments. Remember those? Well, I got a bunch of little miniatures, including these cute little gold pine cones. Perfect size pine cones. But these were all Dollar Tree miniatures as well. That could be cute on a smaller size wreath. Yeah, I got a ton of them in there. Let's just glue these two down. I don't want to get too busy, but I want to get a couple of pine cones down there. Why every time I need a new glue stick does this become an issue? Anyone else have this problem where your new glue stick doesn't want to work with your old glue stick? Need 18 hands to get it to work. There we go. Okay, now remember, we're going to be looking at it like this. So you have to look at it from the front to determine if we're missing anything. Well, let's see what it's going to look like with the ring here. Let's get that straight up and down. It's not working. Okay. Okay. I think I want to put something down here. I don't know what. Like a ribbon? I have these are red though. Well, darn, I kind of locked myself into a pink color scheme, didn't I? Do I have pink ribbons? Or gold. Or silver. Let me see what I've got. Okay, evidently I have no color other than red for a ribbon. Like a bow to put on the front. I thought I had a burlap one. I guess next time I'm at Dollar Tree, I know they have the little burlap ones. I'll pick that up because I think it would be so super cute on this. Look at how cute he is walking out the front. He's even cute from the back. Look at if I put a big burlap bow up there or one down here, I think this would be a super cute wreath. I'm definitely going to put it in the shop. I think I'm going to take this one to Vintage Junkie this week. The other wall hanging that I had, the Christmas vignette wall hanging that I made with the deer on it, sold right away. So I think we'll take this one and see how it does. Since at Picket Fence, somebody already makes these, but they don't at Vintage Junkie. So I'll bring one of these. Little embroidery hoop wreath. You can do whatever you want. And like I said, you can make this with just, she lays like greenery down. So it kind of flanks in here and then put the tree in there. And sometimes I think she just puts a ribbon. I can't remember. So I think she had like eucalyptus coming down on one and just a ribbon on the top. And that was her wreath. So you don't have to have bright colors. Like I like bright colors. You can do whatever you want to do, but these make super cute wreaths. And I don't know why, but I seem to find these, like I said, all over the place, and they're not very expensive. Like I get these at the thrift store and they're $2. Even Badwill had this one for $2.99. So I've got a really big one and a kind of big one back there that I can do more with, but we'll see. We'll see how this one does first. So we'll send this one into the shop, but I think I'm definitely going to pick up a burlap ribbon. I can't complete this right now because I don't have a burlap ribbon for it, but it's super duper cute, you guys. He's so cute. When I get the ribbon on him, he's just going to be adorable. Adorable little darling deer wreath. I know there's other people who like the bright colors like I like the bright colors. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.